Next question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Okay. The numbers given are 12, 15 and 21. So how we start with prime factorization? Let us take the first number 12 and do the prime factorization of it. Okay. Let us factorize 12. So 12, if you factorize, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. If I ask you to write it in powers of 2, 3, how will you write it? Is 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. Now let us take up the next number. Next number is 15 and let us do the prime factorization of 15. 15, if you factorize, it will be just 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So it will be 3 into 5. And if you take up 21 and do the prime factorization of it, 21, if you factorize, 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So it will be in powers, if you write it, it is 3 into 7. So all the three numbers we have done the prime factorization. Now let us try to find the LCM and HCF of the following three numbers. Now first let us find HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Now how to find HCF? HCF of 12, 15 and 21, okay, is first of all, which are the common factors? Okay, the common factors are only 3 if you see. And what is HCF? HCF, the common factor is only 3. Which is the least power of 3? The least power of 3, if you see all the three numbers, in the first number we have got 3, the second number we have got 3, in the third number also we have got 3. The least power of 3 is only 3. So we'll write it only once. Okay, HCF of all these three numbers, the least power of 3, which is a common factor, which is 3 only. Okay, we'll write it only once. The product of common factors raised to least powers, HCF, right? Now coming to LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Product of prime factors raised to the highest powers. Now if you see all the three numbers, the product of prime factors raised to the highest powers, all the prime factors. So the first prime factor we see is 2. And what is the highest power of 2? The highest power of 2 is 2 square. The highest power of 3 is what? 3 only. So it will be 3, 2 square. The highest power of 5 is 5 only. And the highest power of 7 is 7. So it will be 3 into 2 square into 5 into 7. Okay, if you multiply all of them, you will get 420. Okay, so question was to find HCF and LCM and we found it. The next question, given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, find the LCM of 306 and 657. Okay, now HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, which is given to us. The question is, we want to find the LCM, and for LCM we know one relation which connects HCF and LCM. Okay, HCF of two numbers A and B into LCM of two numbers A and B is equal to product of the two numbers A and B. We know this relation. Now which are the two numbers here? Okay, now for the given question, the number A is 306. Okay, and the number B is 657, right? So HCF of 306 and 657 into LCM of 306 and 657 is equal to the product of the two numbers, that is 306 and 657. Now whatever we know, let us write it. So what we get, LCM of 306 and 657 is equals to 306 into 657 upon HCF of 306 and 657, which happens to be 9. So directly we substitute the value of that, that is 9. So if you multiply this 306 and 657, you will get 201,042 upon 9. And if you divide this, you will get 22338. Okay. So this is the LCM of those two numbers. And the question is find the LCM. So that is the final answer. The next question. There is a circular path around sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round on the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? This is a question. Okay. Now, sports field. So let us take a sports field, and there is a circular path around this sports field like a jogging track. Suppose this is a circular path. Okay, and this is a starting point. The black spot what you see, that is a starting point. right? Both of them, they start from here only, and both of them are going in the same direction. Time taken to drive 1 round. Okay, Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive 1 round. Okay, 18 minutes. That means she will come to the starting point after every 18 minutes. Okay, so 18 minutes she will complete the first round. Again, if you add 18, the 18 plus 18 becomes 36 minutes, she will complete the second round. And if you add 18 to this, 36 plus 18, 54 minutes she will cover the third round. Same way Ravi takes 12 minutes. Ravi takes 12 minutes to make the first round. Okay, that means he will come to the starting point after every 12 minutes. So 12 minutes he comes to the starting point. Add 12 to this, 12 plus 12, 24. After 24 minutes, again he will come to the starting point. Suppose he goes on a drive again, so 24 plus 12, okay, 36 minutes, again he will come to the starting point. And can you see both of them? 36 minutes and 36 minutes is common in both. That means after 36 minutes, they will meet. If they both start together, they will meet after 36 minutes. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of 18 and 12 gives us the time when they meet again at the starting point. How do we get this 36? 36 is nothing but LCM of 18 and 12. LCM of 18 and 12 will give us the time when they meet again at the starting point. Right? Now LCM of 18 and 12. How we will present it? LCM of 18 and 12. Take the number 18 and do the prime factorization of 18. It will be 2 into 3 square. Take 12 and do the prime factorization of 12. It is 2 square into 3. And LCM is nothing but the product of all the prime factors raised to the highest powers. There are only 2 prime factors here, 2 and 3, and their highest power of 2 is 2 square and highest power of 3 is 3 square. So product of all prime factors raised to highest powers, it will be 36, because 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, 4 9s are 36. Then we can write, in 36 minutes Sonia arrived the starting point after making 2 rounds, while in 36 minutes Ravi arrived at the starting point after making 3 rounds. At how much, the question asked you after how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point. It is 36 minutes. Right? Hence they meet each other at the starting point after 36 minutes.